Hello, everyone. As you can see, we're going to be unboxing the Star Wars The Black Series Sith Jet Trooper. This figure's been around for a while, a few months. I've actually had it for a few months myself. I just haven't had a chance to actually unbox it. So today, we are going to be unboxing this figure together. We're going to take a look at the outside of the box. We're going to then go ahead and take a look at the figure itself after unboxing it, and take some pictures, and then talk about some of the cool or not so cool features of the Sith Jet Trooper. So to start off with, let's go ahead and take a look at the figure itself. As you can see, it looks like the standard Black Series boxes that we've been receiving lately. If we turn it around, we do have the 106, and then we also have Sith Jet Trooper, and then the E9320 right there. Turning around to the back, we've got the description. The Sith Jet Trooper. In its ultimate push toward galactic conquest, the First Order readies an army of elite soldiers that draw inspiration from a dark and ancient legacy. And we've got in other languages. And continue along, we've got the standard side, and yeah, so that's the outside of the box. So let's go ahead and unbox our figure. So let's go ahead and use our X-Acto knife here. There we go. Safety first. And I am kind of a sucker when it comes to anything that's a Stormtrooper related. I will probably buy it. So first thing out, we've got our blaster, and then the figure itself. And it's nice that he was able to stand right out of the container itself. So let's go ahead and first take a look at the figure, go ahead and see what kind of range of motion we have, and we'll go from there. All right, so prior to this figure, there was, I think, two other Jet Troopers. We just had like the First Order Jet Trooper as well as the carbonized version. So the main difference here is this guy's going to be red. The other ones are white and cream, respectively. So let's go ahead and take a look at the range of motion. The head kind of has a weird joint, but is able to go the full 360, down and up, and it's got a little movement. You might be able to hear the little click. But he is able to move the full helmet around, so I can't really fault it too much on that. As far as arms, that's about as far out that the arms are going to go. We are able to get the full 360 on that. There is no twist at the upper shoulder. The elbow does do the full 360, however, so that's cool. Elbow bend right at about 90. As far as the wrist, full 360, and this is going to go left and right. And the other arm is going to be very similar. And I'm assuming this is going to be up and down. Yeah. Down and up. So, pretty standard. I will note, taking a closer look, you can actually peel up the front portion, and then it looks pretty much like a normal Stormtrooper, the First Order Stormtrooper, I should say. But you are able, the torso does have a little bit of up and down and twist to it, so you're able to pose him, especially while he's in flight. Legs, he's able to do a little bit of a split. There's no twist at the knee. The knee bend, it is a double joint. And then got the typical heel we've been getting lately, and up and down. So that's pretty standard movement with all of the First Order, or I should say, yeah, First Order Stormtroopers. So taking a look at the body itself, it is pretty cool. I do like the jetpack itself. You'll notice down at the bottom at his ankles, we've got some fins. which should help him in flight. So yeah, pretty cool figure. I think I'm going to probably have this guy in flight using some wire on the shelf, and I'll take a picture of that if I am able to make that work. So hopefully we'll be able to get a good in-flight image for him. As far as the blaster, blaster itself is pretty cool, actually. Got the barrel holes there. Got multiple colors on the blaster itself. It's unlike a lot of the other blasters that I've seen, so I do like that. And he is able to have the holster, have the blaster on his leg as well. So pretty cool. All right, so we've taken a look at him. Let's go ahead and take some pictures, and we'll decide from there if we like the figure, if we don't like the figure, what we do and don't like as well. So if you like stormtroopers, you're gonna like this guy. That's basically what it comes down to. As you saw in some of the pictures and probably the video, he does look really good in flight, which is what you'd want him to be able to do. So I'm looking forward to displaying him actually in flight on my shelf, so that way he'll be above a lot of the third trilogy, as far as the characters in that realm. So that's how I'll be displaying them. Overall, figure is pretty cool. I'm not really a big fan of just like the design there, but that has nothing to do with Hasbro. That goes back to Disney and what they ended up doing. So, but yeah, he's a cool figure. I like him. If you see him, I'd recommend picking him up. He's a good addition to your collection. So yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have questions about the figure or any other Star Wars Black Series figures, feel free to leave a comment or question down below. And if you like this type of material, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of different things, not just Star Wars Black Series unboxings. Basically, we do anything that a professional geek may find interesting. So yeah, we do gravitate towards a lot when it comes to Star Wars, but we do other things as well, including going to theme parks, home improvement stuff, home automation, that sort of thing. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.